Okay, so I got called out by this dude, like garbage man or garbage dumpster guy or oh yeah, Brandon Clark, the garbage man, the garbage disposal. Oh, that guy. Yeah, I was told to like do this wake up thing where I have to like drink stuff that I would never drink ever because I don't drink this stuff ever. It's a waste of money. But yeah, some Starbucks Frappuccino thing and tea, which I don't drink, and then this, which is garbage, and it makes your pee smell. So I guess we're supposed to drink all this stuff as fast as you can, or just drink it anyway, and it's some caffeine garbage challenge, wake up stuff. And I'm calling out some guy in Pennsylvania, Mr. Killer Kennedy, who can't do anything anyway, and God, man, I'm gonna try really hard this. I don't know if my capacity can do this. Hope I don't drop any of my earrings or nothing like that. Oh man, this is gonna be frustrating. Alright, so I guess drink 1, 2, 3, and then that's about it. Boom. Alright. So do this. That was almost not delicious. Thanks for not watching.